In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare tables till 99 very easily without any multiplication. Actually, many students are there, those who are not able to memorize the tables and they become slow in a calculation and then they get afraid of maths. So basically, if you don't know the tables, that doesn't mean you don't know the maths. Table is a very small part of a maths. Even if you don't know, you should be smart enough to prepare your own tables. So I am going to show you without multiplication how to prepare the tables. Okay, so let's start. Basic requirement for preparing any table till 99 is you should know the tables till at least 9, and till 9 everyone knows the table, and that is very easy task. Okay, so we'll start preparing the table. First we are going to prepare the table of 43. So to prepare a table of 43, you should know the table of 4 and you should know the table of 3, and once you know these two tables, your 43 table is also ready. So I have already written tables for you. Let's start. Now in 43 table, the unit place of 3 tables still last all, like this: 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 4, 7, 0. This part is going to come as it is in 43 table. Okay, that is not going to change. So what I am going to do is, when I am going to write 43 table, this unit part, this full part I am going to write as it is here. So that is not going to change and it is always coming same. So let me write 6, then 9, then 2, then 5, this 8, this 1, 4, 7 and 0. So half table is ready. Now how to find remaining part? Now as here these are the single digits, so you can take this 8 as it is. There is nothing to carry ahead. So this 8 also I am going to write as it is. Then this 12, because there is no other digit here, so I am going to take this 12 as it is. Now here 1 is there. Okay, so what to do? You have to add this 1 in 16. So 16 plus 1 becomes 17. Okay, then this one I will add in 20. So 20 plus 1 becomes 21. Then this one I will add in 24. So 24 plus 1 becomes 25. Then this 28 plus 2, 30. So what I am doing, I am just adding this tens place number in the 3's table into the 4's table number. Okay, 32 plus 2, 34. Then 36 plus 2, 38, and 40 plus 3 is 43, and your 43 table is ready. Very easy it is, isn't it? So just if you know the tables till 9, you can prepare like this table till 99. Let's prepare 78 table. So first we require the 7 and 8 table, which I have already written to save the time. Now 7 and 8 I am going to write as it is, that is 78 ones are 78. Now what to do? As I told you, the unit place in 8's table, this all unit places are going to come in here as it is. So unit place of 78 table and unit place of 8 table is going to be same. So just copying this all numbers as it is here. So let's copy 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. Okay, now remaining part you know what to do. Once we copied all this, now we'll see the second place or tens place. This one I am going to add in 14, that's 14 plus 1, 15. So I am writing here. Then this 2 will go and we'll add with 21. So 21 plus 2, 23. Then 28 plus 3, 31. 35 plus 4, 39. 42 plus 4, 46. 49 plus 5, 54. 56 plus 6, 62. 63 plus 7, 70, and 70 plus 8 is 78. So these all numbers are getting added with this table. Okay, so this is how the 78 table also done.